what we have here is an automatic transmission with an electric shift PTO. On this particular one, we just have to basically, truck is running, parking brake is on. We're gonna go ahead and turn on either of our sprayers. We have, two in the front, one in the side, and two in the rear. Open up your sprayer first, turn on PTO, give it throttle. And that's how basically you would work any of these sprayers while being in neutral in park. Turn off PTO, turn on sprayer down. To go mobile, we're gonna drive. We're gonna arrow down to first gear. That's how we're gonna do our video. That's how you're gonna get 100% of the pump output. And we'll do the video next. You see how the distance that we're trying to speed on that we're traveling. If you do need to go a little bit faster than that, you can go to second gear. However, you believe you're gonna be going too fast for your needs. So we'll demonstrate all these functions in the next video.